Mwandĩki mũkaru wa gĩthomo kĩa mũthingi na gĩa sekondarĩ Belio Kipsang ekinyĩtie mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya gĩthomo bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri na gũtarĩria atĩ ministry yao ĩrabatara kĩgĩna gĩa ciringi bilioni 28 mwaka-inĩ wa kĩgĩna wa 2023 na 2024.
With the CBC, we have 6 years of primary education. And when we discussed it with my team, for a very long time, the schools have been going through a lot of suffering in terms of the amount that we have allocated. It has been this 1,420 for almost 10 years. We are saying that as a sector, we shall optimize by now funding the same 6 million children with these resources and therefore increasing the capitation per child.
Haha kĩongerera atĩ thirikari nĩ kuongerera kĩgĩna kĩa bilioni 3.4 iria cia gĩthomo kĩa Njunia Cekondarĩ iria ikũhũthĩka na tabarĩra cia moko.
So to maintain almost the same funding of a school, then with the 12 billion shillings, we shall essentially have increased the per capita funding per child from 1420 to around 2,000 shillings. Because of reduced population.
Belio nanĩtie wagagu akiuga cukuru cia kũinũkwo cia Njunia Cekondarĩ na cia sekondarĩ itikoretwo ikĩrorwo na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire gwakinyania ũgai wa kĩgĩna.
I will really urge these members that if it were even possible that we take this to 3,000, it will make sense in running of our schools.
But for most of the universities, including Egerton, I can say right now, they are current in terms of remitting their payee, in terms of releasing the pension and all these issues that have bedeviled the universities for a long time. So now what we are working at is paying what had not been remitted in the past, the pending bills. And so we are discussing this Marshall Plan, and a component of it will also be asking government, if you did not release 32% to universities, where were they going to get the money to pay for payee?
Ministry ya gĩthomo ĩkĩheana mũkana kũrĩ cukuru iria iraregana marũa ma arutwo ma kũrĩkia gĩthomo nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo marĩ na mathirĩ.
Principals don't hold certificates. They hold. And this is something that you are aware, and I think by then you are the peers. It looks like the principals are defying your orders, peers.
But we shall still do circulars to our heads that it is legal to hold a certificate of a student. Thank you.
Obitha rũhonge rwa gĩthomo mekinyĩtie mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya bunge rĩrĩ kũrerĩkana gũtirĩ na arutani a kũigana cukuru-inĩ cia Njunia Cekondarĩ. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa